Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how can create floating object on the water surface. It is basic tutorial. It's very easy, just in few steps you can know the method of floating objects. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the 3ds Maxx scene. This is our object for floating. First we will create the animate water. Add the plan in the pool area. Increase the segments. In the modifier, put the noise. Adjust the parameter. And click on the animation noise. Now go to the object. In the helper, add the dummy box around the object. Attach the object with dummy. Now go to the main bar. In the animation, in the constraints, click on attachment constraint and attach it with the water surface. Now go to the motion. Set the position. Now you can play. You can see it's waving according to water wave. For more floating, select the object. Click on Auto Key. Set the key on 0 frame. Move the key to 100 frame. And move the object. Again set the key. And off the auto key. Now you can play to see it. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.